Hey guys, welcome to TeamCodingPlaza. Today we are going to looking into that PLSQL array handling. See here, how we are going to handle the array. Okay. So before going to do that, we have to know about the exception handling in a PLSQL. Okay, this is common in every programming language also. So first onwards, I am explaining comparing with other programming languages. Because of that, so many guys having basic knowledge on Java. So as a fresher level in college days, so everybody having basic. So there you came to know that about error handling in every program. Here also same like that only. Okay. Here see, first of all coming to definition, an error interrupts the execution of the programs. Okay. First of all, what is error handling? If any error has been came, it will interrupt the execution of the program, right? So how to handle that error? Okay. So then we have to raise an exception. We have to handle that. Okay. So what the way means types of exception, different perspective will be there. Here we can see that exception to be handled. Okay, how to handle that in the exception section or will be propagated to the enclosing block. Yeah. So that in practical way I will show you in this video itself. Okay. So please be concentrated. Don't skip anywhere. After the exception is handled, the control passes to the enclosing block. Okay. So normally exceptions will be keeping where we have shown you that at last of the begin or end, right? So end place we have to handle that. From there we have to get out the control. Okay. So that then coming to PLSQL exception. The programmer can create, name and raise exception. These are the characteristics of the exception handling. Please read thoroughly. Okay. The programmer can create, name and raise an exception. Okay. A programmer can able to create the exception, can name the exception and can able to raise the exception. Okay. There are two types of exceptions will be there. Implicit exception, explicit. Implicit means already pre-built exception will be there. What is given by Oracle and PLSQL. And explicit means automatically we have to provide that. Means a user who is writing the developer, so that he can able to create and raise the exception also. Okay. Exceptions can be caught and handled by the user's code. That's called explicit exceptions. And exception does not roll back or commit the changes. Exception will never do that. Okay. So it will be handled. Then categories. So there are three different categories will be internally defined without name, just error code. Okay. Some error code SQL 000 like that error code will be there and predefined with name and error code. So user defined. I'll show you that some of the error codes which is given by the Oracle itself. See, we can refer that in Oracle database itself, means Oracle site itself, sorry. See, ORA 000001 009 W, different things are there, no? So SQL code is there, here SQL state will be there. So for the predefined error code, there will be an code description also will be there. Invalid SQL statement, invalid, different create command, missing like this and all, you can able to handle like. Yeah. So if this error code has been raised, we have to come and we have to check that why this error code has been raised. We can able to print the SQL description also in the error. Okay. So that's also will be shown in this session, sir. Okay. Then user defined exception. Okay. User defined exception means nothing but we have to create the exception. That also will show in the results. See here, PLSQL exception. This is what the sample course. See, declare L out of stock. Okay, there will be an like Flipkart. You see that if you are ordering something, it will become suddenly out of stock in the sale time. Okay, at how to handle that exception. Okay, out of stock. I have written one custom exception which is predefined. Okay, then after what I did, if number on hand less than 1 means it's 0, then raise L out of stack. Okay, it's 0. Okay, then it will come to last exception block. It will come when out of stock, then print encounter out of stack error. Then it will be show to customer that out of stock. Okay. When others, it is a pre-built exception handling. Okay. When others, instead of these, whatever the exception you have given, then others exception is what? Houston, we have got a problem. Means some exception you have raised which is not handled in the exception block. So this is what the handling of the exception. Okay. I have explained you clearly in this. Okay. Then we'll go to coding area. See here, I'm going to query a table, select star from HR schema will be there, HR.employees. Okay. So here, see here, some of the data will be there, no? So for here, I'm writing a PLSQL block. See here, please observe carefully. What is the flow I'm writing? So first what we have to do, declare, click in, end, semicolon. Okay, this is what the block structure. We have to declare, we have to begin and we have to end. In between, we can write the business logic. Declare what? So I have to show the, assume what my requirement is. I have to print the first name and last name as using the employee ID. Okay. So assume first name only I'll print first name underscore variable. Okay. We am keeping. So here varchar 2. I'm getting the size that assume the name will be 10. When I'm giving 10. Okay. Then I have to write a query that select. Earlier video also I shown you how to create a block and how to do this. You can able to refer that. Yeah. Select first name from where we have to get HR dot employee schema where employee ID equal to assume 100 is there. Okay. So here I missed something. What? How to fetch the data to the PLSQL from the database. Okay, from SQL to PLSQL, how to fetch data? Select first name into whatever the variable I have given. No, so then only it will be accessible, right? Without any assigning, getting into one variable, how I have to store the data? I have to store somewhere, right? So temporarily, that's why first name v variable is there. No, into the variable. Okay, once you are executing one row only, it has been stored into this. Then after here you have to write the exception block. Exception when no data found, one exception is there found. Then what I have to do? I will print that for output underscore line. Okay. So by writing you will get this fluency. Okay. So no employee data, no employee found with given EMT. Okay. Or else when others. When others, then so I'm going to copy paste this. I don't want to waste the time. Then who looking here occur. Oh. So you can able to print here SQL ERRM also, SQL ERRM. So error message also you can able to print. Here is support or not, I don't know. Tools you can able to see this. Okay. Now I'll print this. Okay. So these I want to print the name, right? Name is. So I have to concatenate the name. What are the employee name I have given? Yeah. So to clean this code when others. This is what the order. When no data found, then here is what the exception block I have written here. Then here. Okay. So I'm going to execute this. We'll see without any errors. We should execute. Yes. Statement process. The name is Steven. So one employee called 100 is Steven, right? So Steven is first name. So the output has been executed. Okay. So assume I have given that one. So which is employee ID not there. So we'll see that what is the result will come. No employee found with the given employee ID because I have handled this. So no data found, I have handled. If I am not handling this, what will happen? So I'm going to comment this. How to comment also, I'll make a video. So when others. See. So ORA code has been came, right? ORA 01403. No data found. Okay. So if you want to know about more about this, simply go to Google about this error code. If you are pasting, simply that description will come. Okay. Different sites are maintaining this error code data, and along with the Oracle also will maintaining. So same thing went wrong, right? So this intent and others will be at last only. Before that, whatever predefined, no data found, any user defined, anything else you can able to give. But when there will be hierarchy maintained, when others means it is last. Okay, you whatever the handling errors are there that you are not handling, then it will be when others will be executed. Okay, as I shown here. Like this, you have to handle. Here, no data found is predefined, and use the defined exceptions also. I will be showing next video. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Have a nice day. Bye.